Doing an open the box here, what we got in the mail today. Use a knife. There we go. And looks like we got a couple different packages here. Nice. Hong Kong Post. Looks like got it from Hong Kong and then they already mailed it to us. And alright, got AC adapter for, I think it's for a Dell Mini. Alright, looks like we've got an AC adapter for a Dell Mini, 19 volts, 1.5 amps. Yeah, that's about it. And I thought it might be that, so I have a Dell Mini right here. And lo and behold, it fits. And then in this one's probably and it is another AC adapter. So we got a 2 for here. So excellent. Now I have extra backups for my Dell Mini. I believe that we got these off of eBay, paying something like $6 or $7 to have it shipped. So $6 or $7 complete, shipped, everything. So that's not bad. I think Dell wants $40 or $50 for the adapter, so you know, definitely save some money here.